Properties of addition of integers. Properties of addition of integers. First, closure property of addition. Closure properties of addition. In this property, as we know, the sum of two integers is always an integer. The sum of two integers is always an integer. The sum of two integers is always an integers. For example, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 3 is integer, 5 is also integer, and the sum of both integers is 8 is also an integer. Now next is commutative law of addition. Commutative law of addition. Here, when a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. In these properties, commutative law of properties, we know a and b are two integers and we added them, vice versa, a plus b is equal to b plus a. For examples, 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. The sum of both integers is same. Here 7 is equal to 7. So LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So both values of these integers are same. Now next, associative law of addition. Associative law of addition. Here the three integers a, b and c. A, b and c. The three integers a, b, c of any three integers are given. So the sequence of their three integers are a plus b under bracket plus c is equal to a plus under bracket b plus c. Here we will take any integers like positive or negative, any ones. Here minus 4 plus minus 3 plus 7 is equal to minus 4 plus minus 3 plus 7. If we solve these equations, we get the same value in both sides. Minus 4 plus minus 7, we added them, we got it minus 7 plus 7. The value, both value is 0. One is negative integers and one is positive integers, and both have the same value. So minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. Here minus 4 plus under bracket, here plus 4. So also we get it, the value is 0. In both cases, what we will find? In both cases, the same value. If a, b and c are any of the integers, the value of both sides are same. We will arrange it in the same way. A plus B under bracket plus C is equal to A plus under bracket B plus C. Existence of additive identities. Axis. Sorry. Existence of additive identity. Additive identity. ID. Existence of any identity. Existence of any identity. Here, 0. 0 is called an additive identity for integers. For any integers, we have a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. So, the value is always a. 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 3. We got the value here 3. So, we have already said 0 is the existence of additive identities. 0 is called existence of additive inverse. Existence of inverse. For any integer a plus minus a is equal to minus a plus a is equal to 0. We have already said, I have already said it, 0 is called the additive identity of integers. Here 7 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 7 plus 7. We will got it 0. Here positive integers and negative integers both have the same value, so we got 0. Again here minus 7 plus 7 we will get 0, so our answer will be 0. That's why 0 is called additive identity. Thank you. Today all the properties of the integers I have taught you. For related some exercise, some questions which you have to do. Now one or two examples I will try to solve. Okay, which I have taken from your book. Exercise 1. Exercise 1A. Some questions are, the first question is evaluate 15 plus minus 8. 15 plus minus 8. This one the questions. So how will we solve? 15 plus minus 8. This one your questions. So write down first 15 plus minus here 8. After that you will get the value in 7. 7 is your answer. Now you will do some questions of the related exercise. Now next one is the question number 2. Find the sum of 153 and minus 302. 153 and minus 302. The questions. Find the sum of these. 153 plus 302. both sides never comes together. Okay, so for their separations bracket is necessary. If you forget it, your questions will be wrong. So 153 plus minus minus 300. Here you have to subtract. Which one is greater? 302 and 153. So this one 302 as a sign minus will be preceded, and 302 minus 153. As you do it in a vertical or horizontal, both methods. 3, so 2 is smaller than 3, so 12 minus 3 is 9. This becomes 9. 9 minus 5 is 4, and here 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This one your answer for your clear conceptions. Before this, you have to do such a way. So this one your rough work. 12 minus 3 is 9. 1 is borrowed from here. So it becomes 9. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 2, it becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Negative value is preceded with it because the negative integer is greater than positive integers, so your answer will be in the negative integers. So like this one, you have to solve all questions, and wherever you have a problem, you just write the comment on my video. I will try to solve all questions by your efforts. Thank you. Have a great day.